So in this video, we are going to identify a problem that has been happening to this person. There is a boy named Juan who is casually using his computer to do schoolwork, but suddenly he occurred a problem that he had run into a blue screen. The blue screen tells that he has to restart the PC in order for the PC to work again. After he did restart the computer, he tried again and the problem keeps occurring. So in order for him to configure on what was happening to his computer, he tried to do a simple check to his computer to see if he can fix the problem by himself. Here are some lists that he needs to do when he check the PC. First thing first, he needs to check the power supply for any visible damage. Next, he needs to clean the dust on the fan or the air passage that can cause the overheating issue. After that, he needs to listen to hard drive to hear an unusual sound as it can indicate the problem. Lastly, he also need to check for physical damage. After that, he has done some checking. By doing this, we are able to identify which problem has occurred to him. Be aware that this is some basic things to check, as this might not be the cause of it. He was able to identify the problem, which is the power supply had been damaged as it has bent into the power supply. Second, there's too many dust had built up on the PC and the other compartment as well that can make the PC to cause an overheat. Lastly, the hard drive has a mechanical function that one of the problem that is the blue screen keep happening. The hard drive has seemed to not to be able to function normally and has caused to this problem. So now he has to buy a brand new power supply that can suit the motherboard. For the motherboard, we cannot just buy any type of power supply, as each motherboard has assigned to each power supply.
We are going to clean the computer from any dust. You have to be reminded that you have to clean the component very carefully, as the motherboard might be sensitive and can be broken easily. For the hard drive, we have to back up the hard drive to save all the files and documents and buy a new hard drive and plug it into his motherboard. After fixing this issue, we are able to use this component and there is no more any type of blue screen, and any file and any document and any important things have been saved to the hard drive. We can conclude that the issue has been resolved based on what we learned. We can say the hard drive issue is common. In order to prevent it from happening, we must clean the computer after and pay attention to the inside component.